You don't seem like somebody who would ghost someone. What happened?
We conversed, and then her energy got weird.
We're a collective of 5 artists from across the media landscape united on a mission of body acceptance. Each episode, we'll invite a special guest to be our honorary 6th member and step out of our comfort zones to create missions that champion self-love in all shapes and sizes.
Well, my turn. I think it's high time that I prepare the mission for us. I mean, I think there are a couple single ladies around this table.
I definitely am single.
You're definitely. So I propose that we do speed dating.
Oh,
yeah.
I've never done speed dating.
Okay. Give me a chance here. I found that simply being open to experience is where I ended up finding love. My fiance is not someone I ever would have expected.
I mean, this sounds all great and beautiful, and your journey, like, I'm happy for you, Ash, you know that, but like, you guys all know, I was engaged last year, and now I'm not. Like, my love life, I swear, like, there's like a big curse on the forehead that says, like, this girl will not ever find love.
I think speed dating for me is gonna look more like just getting to know people. Like, I really enjoy getting to know new people. So if it means I have to do that in 1-minute intervals, then cool.
This is gonna be an interesting speed dating though, because like, we gotta run the gauntlet in who's gonna come, because like, Belle and I are both queer and poly. Rachel is like straight, and Manny's kind of like, open to whatever. And it's funny because we have a tendency to typecast who we date, even though we hate being typecasted ourselves as bigger bodies, right?
For the longest time, especially in my youth, I always felt like I needed to date other large bodies. Like, it was always this preconceived notion in my head that I'm a larger body, that means I need to date larger bodies.
I can't stand going into the dating world and thinking, oh God, are they gonna like me or not because I'm bigger, right? But at the same time, like, who are we to go out there and be like, oh well, you don't fit my X, Y, and Z.
It's perfectly okay to have preferences. I mean, we all have things that we like and things that we don't, and that's fine. But I think that just comes down to a lot of misconnections.
Let's set the rules. Big bodies, skinny bodies, short bodies, tall bodies, trans bodies, female bodies, male bodies.
All of these.
Okay, cool.
So it's all genders, all sexualities. Everywhere on the spectrum.
I have one problem though. Who's the 6th?
Okay, I think I have somebody really cute for this.
Okay.
But he's male?
That's okay.
I know, but we've never asked a guy to be one of our succulents. His name's Chris Blair. I don't know if you guys know him.
Oh, he's a total babe.
He's like super body positive, outgoing, queer positive, like.
I think he's a great fit.
Yeah.
You're telling me that the 6th you want to choose is someone who, like, ghosted me. That's what we're doing?
What is going on here?
So I connected with Chris a few months ago. And then he just kind of like ghosted. And I don't know, and then we just kind of like have never spoken again.
Well, maybe you just need to meet face to face.
Maybe this is actually Annie's missed connection.
Yeah, it is.
Listen, we chose Chris for a reason. I feel like he would be a great addition to, guide the light on this entire situation.
Light on you guys, shade on me.
As much as I thought that I was ready for this, I'm totally not ready for this because I'm actually terrified of putting myself out there. All I can keep thinking is, what if it doesn't work? What if no one likes you?
Curious to see the kind of individuals that are interested in bigger women.
I'm excited because I really want to meet someone, but at the same time, I'm like, all the guys in this city, you had to find Chris? Really? Like, that was the only guy you could find? Really? Speed dating. Whose like deal was that anyway?
Today we are doing the speed dating. Super exciting.
I don't know why I agreed to do this one either. And then when I found out who the 6th is, I'm not particularly excited about it. I'm gonna make sure I look cute. See what you're missing.
Hey, Chris.
Nice
Is
to
our
meet
Succulent
you.
6th today? Woo.
Succulent, definitely. My dating life is non-existent. I find that when you're a bigger guy, a lot of time girls, they tend to treat you a little bit different. But I let them know real quick that inside, I got abs. And I'm 6 feet. And I'm sexy as hell.
What's your ideal human look like?
I definitely don't have a type. I think people let society tell them what to do. And I don't. People have to take time to find out what's in here.
Are you all ready to speed date?
I'm freaking out.
I'm not worried. I tend to go with a question like, what do you like to do? It's vague enough that you get to decide how to direct that conversation.
I ask people if you could have a pet that was like a dog, but it's a chicken, a duck, or a goose, which one would you choose?
I think I'll go with duck.
Yeah? All right, you?
What about ghost, Chris?
You know I'm gonna bring it up.
You don't seem like somebody who would ghost someone. What happened?
We conversed, it was awesome. And then her energy got weird. And she disappeared. It was actually really amazing for like the first couple days.
He just kind of disappeared. And so I'm feeling rejected.
I think we should call a truce for today. Maybe the two of you should sit together and start fresh.
Pound on a truth.
Let's do this.
I'm game. Are you game?
Pound it out. Pound it out.
Our daters are gonna be here any minute. Let's get ready. Let's get going.
Let's go.
Come in, have a seat.
Hi, Casey. Nice to meet you. I'm Belle.
I like your style.
I like your stuff.
Thank you.
I like a lot about your stuff.
Next. I'm a little nervous.
I'm being my Rachel.
Rachel Sergio, hello.
What are you looking for in a relationship?
People who have passion.
Yeah, you too.
We walked in knowing that it was a very open-minded experience with a diverse group of people of different sexual orientations, different ethnicities, different body types and body sizes. We already walked into a positive experience, and it was just gonna go from there.
First of all, I love the outfit. Oh yeah? I love a polished man.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Hi.
Ivory.
Murphy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You're really cute.
Thanks.
Which makes me blush. I was smitten, bumbling over myself, and stupid smiley. I can't stop blushing.
I did see some sparks and in unexpected places too. There was so much energy flowing. So that was really nice to see.
The air needed to be cleared and we needed to have a conversation because it was awkward.
So what happened?
I thought you were like not interested. I was reaching out and connecting with you.
No.
I was.
I think that Annie and Chris had a legitimate misconnection. And what happened today was that they got a chance to air their shit out and really kind of work through real life things that happened to us.
He shared his perspective on how he felt.
Of course, my communication could have been better, but I think yours could have been better also.
Okay.
Because I saw what I wanted from day one.
And he was accurate. He got me to admit some things, that it was intense when we connected.
No, we're just getting started.
Next.
There were some rounds where I just wanted to hit pause on Ashley's little timer and just sit in it with someone a little bit longer because we were just starting to get past the surface. And that's the only time that you can really tell if you've got a connection or not.
I hope that people can see through this style of speed dating that there are still positive outcomes that can come from people sitting across the table from each other for a couple of minutes who otherwise may have not given each other a chance.
Everybody is worthy of love. So don't let how you look or all the insecurities that are in the back of your mind hinder you from putting yourself out there.
Annie and Chris, they sat there talking for quite a while.
The conversation was amazing. I kind of felt like I was floating for a little bit.
Where do we leave things? Well, you'd have to find out. The connection was reestablished, so I'm excited to see where that goes.
I'm gonna come around and I'm gonna collect your sheets from all of you. And I will be calling, because I know I have all of your personal information, so I'll be calling you and connecting the connections. Yeah, I hope you had a great time.